Hey everybody, it's Mark from the SkyTour livestream. It's a little bittersweet, but it's actually for the better. We are moving out of our Sonoran Desert Observatory. Now there's a reason. The reason is very important. First of all, the people that own the land are going to not be coming back to the land anymore. And so it makes a lot of sense for us to move to a new location. But we have another location. Now, currently what's going on is that we have some help out here loading up materials. We're going to be taking the telescope out, which I'll show you in just a moment. So this building has served us well, but over time, look what's happened. Here, the heat has split the wood, okay? The heat has also loosened up some of our fasteners, like over here, all right? And so, even though we've maintained it as well as we could, this is the kind of thing that happens with something way out in the desert like this. Now, we're going to go to the interior and show you. We've taken the door off, which is the STLS door, okay? And then in here, right, here's the telescope. I've already prepared some of it. I've taken off the back end counterweights. This part here with the camera on the front, this is our Whitefield system, don't forget. Really beautiful. And this Whitefield system is now going to Benson into another building. Yes. So the narrow field system and the Whitefield system will have their own independent buildings right next to each other. And that's going to be cool. So we're going to take this apart, all right, and get it transported down to Benson, all right. And what happened was Marianne and Tara came through last time, and they took all the cables and got rid of all the pertinent materials, including the computer and all the electronics, to make the job today only remove this stuff, which we will do. All right, this will eventually be on a pier down in Benson. Right now it's on a tripod because this is convenient. All right, so this is neat, and this will allow us to have everything in the same place, and that's gonna be cool. The skies in Benson are marginally darker than here, but it's still beautiful. It's a beautiful location here in the Sonoran, no doubt, okay? But we also have just as good a location down in Benson. And again, like I said, it's marginally darker. Now, we all put our goodbyes, okay? What's funny is this was the first thing I put when we first came in here. It was 3/31/2021. I wrote, Mark is here. That was the first time I came here when the building was finished. Okay, that was 4 years ago. And now we had John and Stan, John Dover and Stanley Milford, Paranormal Rangers, came out here. They're good friends. And we had them write something in here. And then I wrote here off to Benson on 4/30/26. And when 2020, Tara was actually out here being the kind of the overseer. And I wasn't here yet. So the building was built in 2020. And when she came out here, she oversaw all the building with Marianne, and I was still in Connecticut. So I came out here in 2021 for the first time. And we did a lot of additional stuff in the building to get it ready. And the stuff that is nailed to the land, we leave, okay? But the stuff that is movable, we take. And that's all good. So, that said, I want to share with you everything that we've done, you know. So here is the look of the Sonoran scope now, and when it's moved into the Benson Observatory, it's going to look a lot better, and it's going to have a lot better reach. You'll be able to see stuff in the far southern sky better. And right now, this is not connected to any power, so we can push it right off the building. Normally we have our opener there, which does the opening for us, but it's going to be a lot better view when we get down to Benson. So that said, let's take a final walk around the observatory and check it out. So here we go, we're moving on out. All right, and this is the land it was on. It's actually really it was very helpful, very nice, but there's the building. And so we'll get it out of here and get it down to Benson in no time. know. So this is a video that's going to be, I'll be uploading this for Friday night, you know, I guess play, because I'm in Arizona because I have to go to Sierra Vista to do a talk. Sierra Vista is down by the Mexican border, so it's important to do all this while I'm here. So we already took out the all sky cam, which was mounted here at the end, okay, and that's packed up and in the vehicle here again for transport all the way down. So the all sky cam is right there, okay, and we will be taking it to Benson to install it down in Benson. All right, another, again, a great location. So we will be doing this in the next hour or so. We're gonna move all this equipment and get it on its way toward Benson. The drive out here into the desert, the roads are getting worse and worse, actually. So this poor big Super Duty truck was bouncing around like you can't believe. But we actually got here thanks to Mary Ann's expert driving. But so the bottom line is that we will be setting this up in Benson probably at the end of the month. All right, and so this will be another a close of a chapter, but the opening of a much better chapter, as we now end up in a similar sky as the narrow field system, which you've come to enjoy so much. And we'll be able to do the wide field and narrow field systems again, as before, live at the same time. And we'll be able to actually show you amazing objects in the sky. So, although we're saying goodbye to a venerable old building, we are going to say hello to a brand new location. So, it's a step up, it's not a step down. And it's not even a side step, a parallel move, it's actually a step up. So, this was the first building I designed ever. As the first building, there was so many things I wished I could have done differently. And the buildings down in Benson were professionally built and were already designed with the things that I never even realized. So now it's going to be better. Okay, we did cover this building in metal because if there's any brush fires, they could spread to the building and burn things down. But we chose to cover it with metal, and the metal cladding prevented any fire from getting to the building. So one last look. There's the mountain in the different distance there. We got cactus, you know. It's a really beautiful location. But I don't mind leaving these really bad dirt roads behind, to be honest with you. You know. So this is Mark D'Antonio with Mary Ann, Rob, and Tara Diulis in our nonprofit organization. And we're going to now take the telescope out, and I'll include another video possibly showing you the packing process and how we're moving it out of here. All right, so until then, you guys have a really good rest of your day or evening. You're probably seeing this after 9 p.m. on Friday, which is tomorrow for me. So that all said, we will talk to you again. So goodbye for now, and we'll talk to you a little bit. Bye, everybody.